Hi everyone, I'm Ronnie. I work on the customer support and marketing teams for Plan to Eat. And today I would like to give you a quick 5-minute overview of the Plan to Eat website so that you can get started with the basics of the program. So when you first start your account, you're going to come to this page and you will see that we have this getting started video and we have options here for how to add recipes to your Plan to Eat account. So the easiest way to get started with your Plan to Eat account is going to be to add recipes from different blogs or other websites around the web, because then you'll have recipes available to make meal plans and then shopping lists for yourself. So you can see right here we have these different options for adding recipes. You can add a recipe by hand, clip recipes from the web, import from URL, import from other recipe apps, or you can save recipes from our previous cooking challenges that we've hosted here on Plan to Eat. But I want to show you how you can clip recipes from the web. So if you click on this option, it is going to bring you to our recipe clipper help article. And all you have to do is take this button right here that says add to PTE, and you are just going to drag and drop it into your toolbar here. So that's either your favorites bar or your bookmarks bar, depending on which browser you use. And you'll see that it just automatically added this add to PT button here for me. So now that I have that added onto my browser, all I have to do is go over to a recipe site. I have this recipe for waffles that I want to add to my Plan to Eat account, and I simply just click on the add to PTE bookmarklet in my bookmarks bar, and you're going to see over here it creates a draft of the recipe for me. So you see all of the recipe information is in here. This is a draft. All of these sections are able to be edited if I needed to edit any of the information in here. When I'm ready, all I have to do is click Save Recipe, and now that recipe is saved to my Plan to Eat account. So I'll go back to my Plan to Eat account and refresh the page, and voila, we have a recipe in our account. It is super simple to just use the recipe clipper, and anytime you're on any recipe website, you can just click on it and that recipe will be added to your Plan to Eat account. You will quickly amass lots of recipes in your account by doing this. So now that we have a recipe in our account, ideally if you're going to start meal planning, you want to have a little bit more, but just to give you an idea of how to add recipes to your meal planner, you just simply go over to the planner, and in the My Recipes section over here, you're going to use this handle icon to just simply drag the recipe onto your planner. So that is super easy, super simple to get this recipe here on your meal planner. And then if you had a whole bunch of recipes, obviously, you could just continue dragging them and create your entire meal plan by dragging and dropping the recipes. So here I have the servings toggle over here toggled to on. You can toggle this off if you want, but you toggle it on here and you'll see that you are able to just see the recipe servings right on the recipe there. And then you can update this to whatever you want. And so when any updates are made to the serving size of recipes in your planner, it's going to automatically reflect into the ingredient amounts that are in your shopping list. So now let's go over to the shopping list so I can show you how the shopping list will be created once you have recipes already on your planner. So click on the Shop tab here, and over here on the left sidebar is where you update your planner date range. And the date range on your shopping list corresponds with the date range in your planner. That's why it's called planner date range, but it's also your shopping list date range. So right now it's set to a day that has no recipes planned on it. So all I need to do is just change the date range. I can change to one of these predefined options, or I can make a custom range if I'd like. But the recipe that I had planned was on this week. So now all the ingredients that just showed up are for that waffle recipe that's on my planner. And you can see there's this recipe key over here on the side, and it highlights all of the items that are included in that recipe here on my shopping list. Now, if there's something in the shopping list that doesn't look quite right, or I need a different amount, or I just want to name it something different, I can use the pencil icon over here to the right of the item to edit the item. And so I can edit the amount, unit title, I can change which category it's in and which store it's in. I can also leave notes if you want to put like a specific brand name or any other information about the items that you have in your shopping list. All right, so then when your shopping list is complete and you've categorized and edited everything the way that you would like to see it, You can print your shopping list right here from the website. So you can click on this print icon here. It's going to bring up this print preview for you. Additionally, you can take your shopping list with you in your Plan to Eat app. So you can download the Plan to Eat app on any iOS or Android device and then take it with you in the store where you can tap off items as you add them to your cart. We have another help video specifically for the Plan to Eat app if you want to watch that and learn more about how to use that on all of your devices. If you ever have questions at any point in time, you can always use the question mark icon over here in the right. You can navigate to our help articles site to search for any specific question that you have. You can also contact us, and this will open a contact form where you can type us an email. You can also email us at any time at help@plantoeat.com. Thanks for watching.